Hello, how you doing? My name is Assan Conte and live in Atlanta, originally from West Africa, Sierra Leone. And I'm the owner of Mouthful ATL, the best food in America. As you guys can see, we working right now, and it's a tent business. We based in Atlanta, but we don't have a location yet. Right now, we just travel all over America. You name it, we go everywhere. New York, Michigan, Detroit, Chicago, anywhere we got have a big festival, we're gonna be there. So make sure you follow us on Instagram, mouthful_ATL. We might be in your city. We be update people on Instagram where we gonna be. So I started this business based in experience, cooking experience that I got from my older sister. So I just sit down one day. I said I can make a living out of this because I had the experience, cooking experience. So this is how I started this business.
How did you get the name?
How did I get the name? The name come about me and my wife was like figure out the name to start the business, and our niece was there, about 10 years old. She suggested this name because we was debating about the name, and she was like, "Auntie, why don't we just name the business Mouthful ATL?" And then the name was it sounds good, and we love it, and that's how we stick with the name. And thanks to our niece Chanel, thank you very much for giving us this name. You are the one that give us this name, Mouthful ATL. So this is how we come about the name.
When did you start the business?
I started this business on 2020, 2020, and since then we keep going. And yes,
So right now everything looks good.
thank you.
Let us know some of the pitfalls of trying to start a business. Let us know some of the hardship you had trying to do this.
Oh well, I would say to be an entrepreneur is not easy. It's a burden like you have to take, and it's on you how you navigate yourself. This is how you gonna go through and get through, and whatever struggle you're going through. And even us, we still going through. The struggle will never stop. You still going through, but keep on going. And but what I'm saying is that to be an entrepreneur is the best thing ever can happen to you, and I know everybody can do it. But a lot of people cannot stand the struggles because there's no all laughter. It's a lot of struggle. Even when we do the festival, sometimes it's not a good weather. It be raining, and we have to take all the loss. Sometimes it be a whole lot of ups and down, but you just gotta keep going. Just keep going.
How long did it take you to actually get your thing running smooth the way you want it?
It takes me not long because like I said, I was doing it with my sister, so I had all the experience. So that's not that long. And if you want to start a business or being an entrepreneur, make sure you get all your research, and make sure you got all your research for you to start a business. And the reason why I'm able to do this perfectly, I mean, yeah, the starting wasn't good, but I'm able to understand because I was working with my sister. I got all the experience and the tools that I need.
So most people got a brick and mortar. Some people have food trucks. Did you try either one, and why don't you have either or?
Well, actually, I try either one because I have a trailer too. But the reason why I choose to do the tent, because as you guys can see, my setup is really open like an hibachi. So I like the style. People just love the style. People love seeing me cooking in action. So they really love that. So that's why I stick with the tent. And for now, yes.
Show us some of your main dishes that.
Okay. So right now we got the lamb chops going, and these are chopped chicken going down. And these are grilled shrimp, and we got the salmon right here. Grilled salmon, and we got the yellow rice. As you guys can see, we got the cabbage, and this is the pasta, You can put this pasta don't have no meat, but you can put any meat on it. And we got the oxtail is running out, as you guys can see the line. And then our curry goat is about to go too. You know, we put this in. We got the blue rice lemonade and regular lemonade. Yeah, this our menu. What we do.
So do you cook different stuff at different events, or what menu that you just run with?
No, I just do one menu that I run with. Any event I go, and that's it. And the menu is up there on the banner, so nothing changed. Any event I go, that's all I do.
Well, I appreciate the time, man. I'm gonna let you get back to business because I see you kind of busy there.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate you, man. Thank you.